Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change username on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile here, and now here you will find accounts. Click on it, and here you will find username. Click on it, and here as you see you can change your username. You can edit your username easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.